Today we're going to show you how easy it is to make a delicious pancake breakfast at home. All you need: store-bought pancake mix, some eggs, bacon, and whatever fruits you have at home. You do not need the hassle of making pancakes from scratch. I find Aunt Jemima and Krusty's make good quality pre-made pancake mix. You just add milk and you're good to go. So let's begin. We can start by adding a few scoops of the pancake mix. Add the milk until you get a consistency similar to what I have here. Heat the pan to medium high heat. I like to rub a stick of butter across the surface of the pan. I find that works well for the pancakes, right? Alright, let's drop them in one at a time. Again, the batter is very thick because I want very fluffy pancakes, but feel free to adjust to your liking. We will not, because the batter is so thick, we will not definitely see the bubbles at the top. You can just check the pancakes to see if it's time for them to flip. If you have difficulty flipping the pancakes, only put one at a time. If you look carefully at the pancakes, you will see the height of the pancakes. You see how elevated they are. This is due to the thickness of the batter and us leaving the batter for an hour. We will repeat the process of coating the bottom of the pan with the butter and add the rest of the pancakes. Please note that the pan has to be one that is suitable for pancakes. It has to be very thick. So a thin regular frying pan cannot be used. You will not get good quality pancakes. Anyway, let us cook our bacon now. We're using the same pot. We're not going to be using 3 separate pots at all. We've added a little oil to the bacon. I like adding oil to my bacon. It prevents the bacon from sticking to the pot, and they come out better. The texture is much nicer and they have a little crunch to it. Okay, the bacon is done. Let's remove the bacon and drain on absorbent paper towel to reduce some of the oil, and add our eggs. Here we have the finished meal. We have our nice fluffy pancakes, our bacon, our scrambled eggs, and some fruit. So let's plate. This breakfast was super simple to make, and as you can see, you don't have to go out to get a delicious pancake breakfast. It's with just a few ingredients, quite easily done at home. So enjoy, and thank you guys so much for watching.